All right. Sounds good? All right.
Yep, everything's good.
Okay. So I just wanted to cover this because this was part of the forecast, right, of expectancy of how we see the market and we trade every day. Good morning, Sue. So it's for us, it's very important to, come back and review it after it happens so you can see that we pretty much had a great idea how to do it, okay, and what to expect from the market. Obviously, nothing changes because yesterday we got 2 losses in the beginning. So we're not foolproof against losses. And whoever it is, just let me know who it is because I'd be more than glad to talk to that person and even, follow him. So we had the first 2 losses because the market was on a G7 meeting yesterday and it was tied up on the range. But eventually the third trade provided after the break. Hold on, this was a low, and the 87 was my target. Let me just jot that down. A 43-point single trade, and this kind of third trade
La
was
entrada
exactly
fue
what we were looking
58.33.
for. 58.33,
Yep,
33.
that was the entry.
All right, 33 would
Yep.
be. There you go. About 48. Okay, they're moving up one. Let's just go ahead. All right. It's weird. They're moving pretty fast. Um, I'm going. Should we? No, hold on. They tested this
Yep.
high right there. Okay. You see how they held right there in that area? Pretty interesting. All right, so back to trading. Let me just focus here now. There you go, Aaron. You bought the zone, which is awesome as usual. But you're better in here, so you know exactly what to expect. Okay, Juan, we're going for the next burst. All right. Juan, can you confirm the targets, please?
And next target 73.
All right, 73. So yeah, I just wanted to let them know. So we got actual target 73, 77, 90,
And
and
91.
91 exactly. All right, waiting for the next confirming burst, and then we'll go in. Great job, Aaron. Absolutely, man. Hey, it's all yours now. That's the whole point, huh? That's all. Congratulations. That's what I want to hear. Okay, I think we're probably gonna go ready on this move. It's gonna be about a 30 something or more close to 40 something risk because it's gonna be a buy with a pivot low stop. Yeah, isn't that powerful, Aaron and Sue? The Carlos. I know, I know. Everybody's loving the zones. Awesome stuff, guys. You guys are awesome. Yeah, this is a counter trending move, right? The counter trending move that we're uh, talking about. All right, guys. So we're standing by here, waiting for the next level of confirmation, the next wave. Yeah, I know. I noticed. Yeah. Sustaining pretty nice in here. We're standing by. All right, guys, we're standing by, which is nice. Is here it is. I got confirmation to go long.
I have confirmation.
Go long. Gonna be targeting. It took me immediately out again. Really, I'm buying again. Placing my stop on the 59.25. I forgot. I got that auto 5 tick. I'm sorry, guys. It's just that I have as soon as the market moves about 8 or 9 ticks, it's just moved 5 ticks and take my profits. So, what was the entry one? The same one, right? 49.43. I mean,
Yep.
59.43.
Yes.
I think I did.
Sí, la misma.
Yeah, it's the exact same one. All right, so this bar has not closed. We're going to use the pivot low as a stop for now for the next 8 minutes and 9 minutes left. All right, the target is going to be, as you see, 59.73. 59.73. Okay. I got a lot of requests for the ES, so I'm going to share some thought process here on the ES for a moment. Let me squeeze this out. Not trading the ES, but for those of you interested in the ES, targets to the upside is 79.25, and I got 86 even. That's pretty hardcore. It's based on 15-minute, which is the one that I use to trade the ES. For the upcoming target, it's 79.25 for the bullish side, and to the bearish side is 70.50, 66.50, and 63.50. Just so you know. Manfred, you got 11 and out. Thank you. Awesome. All right, guys. So basically, once again, on the ES, it's a little bit weird to trade it, but bullish side on the ES, we're talking about 79.25 and 86. Juan, mira si consigues algo en el ES entre medio.
Okay.
And then to the downside, 70.50. The one that I'm looking for, or I might be interested, would be this guy right here, which is 66.50 and 63.50. These are for the remaining session, all right, for the rest of the session, okay? And these might look pretty decent as well. Eventually, these are the ones that I'm looking for. Let me change this to dash. And dash for me means not that important, but not that important. There you go. All right, everybody got it? Got the yes, so I can just take it out? All right, good. Yeah, we'll check that out later. Let's just keep our focus now here. And now we wait. All right, guys, so as a reminder, the main objective that we typically try to look for are the targets. Our targets today is 61, 73, 78, and 91. Okay, those are the targets.
I have confirmation again in the same entry.
Same entry. Yeah, I got it. Same entry. So yeah, it was confirmed. The first one was 36. So this one is confirmed like 3 times. So once again, Juan, dame un rojo con esta información.
Segundo.
Just try to find which one of these 3 targets has the most probability. Once again, as I mentioned, our main focus are the targets, but there is an objective and the mission. Excuse me, and the mission would be depending on what you're looking for in that first trade. All right, which is a minimum of 10 ticks. I noticed that Manfred actually took it out. Carlos did it. Sue, so on and so forth. But that depends on your objective of the day. Reason why we provide the levels of the expectancy. As long as the smart money stays in bullish, which is these 2 green arrows, this is at least how we gauge it. We can hold for the potential upward targets. And we got targets all the way up to 60.56 and 60.80. ¿Tienes el rojo, Juan?
Tengo uno en 86.
All right, we got validation of the potential outcome of 59.77. The average pullback was 57 ticks. That's awesome. So we know for the fact that the burst eventually will provide over 57 ticks of move. If they break this area that I just marked there with the pivot step, they're about to break it. So I'm pretty sure that my net level of 61, okay, here it is again. All right, let me just move it back. There you go. All right, 10 ticks. The first target is going to be 61. We're looking for the 71. All right. All right. So I'm going to move my stop to 59.25 now. 59.25, and the target has been hit. The first target has been hit. As you can see, we wait, but based on the movement of prediction that we use based on price action activity, we notice that the potential move should be at least 57 ticks to the upper side. And I typically created my own formula, which is 60% of whatever the amount of the pullback is. That's 57. It would turn into a 30, what was that again? 30, what? 30 was, all right. Anybody got the targets? Start sharing with us, guys. If you notice here, the entry came in and the first target was hit up 61. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Thank you. DZ10, Van 20, carried 15, Aaron 62 for today, Ray 15, Bob 10. There you go, guys. Awesome. Okay. Did you see the power of the targets now? All right, no problem. Here we go. No issues, Nadina. They should come up right now. All right, here we go. I'm trying to get the 72. That's my calculations or confirmations coming in. Oh yes, Nadina. Just a matter of withstanding a little bit. So let's see, 57 times 60%. That's a 34 pointer. 34 pointer will put me right in the middle, and we have the confirming dual target of 59.87 to 91, which is for us pretty much what we might be aiming to. This guy's right there. So the first target has been hit. Awesome. Let's see if we can go for the 72 or so. You see, this is what we were expecting yesterday. Of course, we don't have any control on the market. All right. Pete open. Let's see. Okay, you got 14, 15 ticks. Yeah. All right, so let's see. Here comes a pit open. It could help us or it could just not help us. Let's see. Diaz, see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here. All right, I'm going to try to collect, there you go, moving to 54, my stop, just in case. That's 11 ticks for me. The next target up should be 73. 16 ticks. All right, so I raise my stop to 55. So 12 ticks for me. And I'm doing it because there you go, I got 12 ticks, but we don't have any exit signal. I'm going to stay here until at least my 73 is being reached. There you go. So that's a quick 12 ticks. And this is how we played it out every day. Once again, yesterday was difficult. It was a G7 meeting, a lot of trouble going on. And it is very important for us to show you how to manage the good and the bad. I mean, it's rarely when you get into a trade room and everything is point out beautiful. Oh, we make money every single day. There you go. The target is about to get hit, and then I'm going to be happy for today by calling up front before it happens. There you go, Nadina. There you go. Objective of this morning is at 73. Juan, ¿cómo vamos? Oh, Nadina, the stop is always going to be on the lower part of the bar. There's 1 minute 43 left, so you can place your stop at 59.40. 59.40. Make it simple for you. It's a 10-minute bar. Use that. Next target is going to be 73, and then I'm going to be feeling confident today that we reach our main objective for everybody. La primera, Juan.
Okay.
Thank you for yesterday. That was a good lesson on how to recover. By far, yesterday was most difficult day since trading with you, and I recovered. Thank you, Robert. Guys, it's very important for every single one of you. If you're really looking to make it trading work for you, you don't learn from the good days, you learn from the bad days. That's how it differentiate. Bueno, nosotros estamos aquí en el fondo.
Yep.
Okay, good. Vamos para 59.86. All right, 59.73, and then we're gonna call this the mission objective. There you go. We're about to get hit any moment now. 3, 2, 1. Come on, come on. There you go. 59.73 and 576. Collect your money. Collect your money right now. Objective has been fulfilled. Objective has been fulfilled. Objective has been fulfilled. Next level up, 86. Next level up, 86. Any moment now. There you go. Next level up, 86. All right, any point now on the upside is a bonus points. This is our proprietary setup. All right, guys, that's it. We're done for today. And this is how the typical day usually supposed to go. All right, guys, this is a 34-point run, and that's it. Everybody should be out. Thank you, Nadina. Can you start sharing? And let me just move this over here. 9:15 is about to happen. This is what we call a normal day. Thank you. All right. All right. So you can start sharing the results today. And as you can see, once again, I know yesterday was a very difficult day, but you can't not judge the trading service or the trading program or methodology that you personally use because you had a few bad days. Okay, so it's very important for you to definitely be able to pull everything up. All right, there you go. So you just move these over. Let's see what the S&P is doing, which is nothing as usual. Just broke to the upper side. It's about to reach the 2079.25. All right. Yeah, that's doing nothing. Oh, we'll set it aside so we can see it. All right. So since this is the end of the day, if you got any other questions right now. Um, sorry that I'm just reading the questions here on. Thank you, Juan, for letting me know. I got here questions from the GoToWebinar. Yep, no. All right, so most of these about access. So, okay, so let's see here. Hi, Christian. Oh, there you go. Yeah, Christian. Christian, absolutely. Okay, guys, if you guys any questions, this is a moment. You can see how the market is reacting towards the levels that we expected. So we're done for today. Okay, that was awesome. Just paying close attention to the ES right here. Mark, I don't understand the curry switching it through, but hope that's good. All right, guys. Any questions so far from visitors? NBA player, thank you. Awesome stuff. Yep, that was pretty awesome. It was great. And here's the thing. Let me show you something. Remember the formula that I was now that most of the people left, which is awesome. Probably the ones that are still here are the ones who are worth me showing you this. Okay, this 57 of the pullback right there from the break point right there. I knew that the moment where the market is going to stop in a dime should be that 34, 35 ticks to the upper side. If I do that right now, take a look where the market actually went and stopped on a dime pretty much. 37 ticks. That's pretty much that 60% of the 57 right there on the spot, not even reaching the target. This is something that I've been using for years. I rarely teach it, but I just wanted to show it to you. There you go. The target of 59.86 is here. And this is awesome. All right, so how about that? The next level of prediction has been reached. 87 and 91 is the biggest one. Finals, you're asking which broker and I'm personally using. I use the Ninja Trader, but I personally like to use, here we go, we're going for the next level up. I personally use Lakefront Futures as well. Now with Lakefront Futures, I don't use Ninja Trader. We use multi-charts.
Multi-charged.
Yeah, multi-charts. See you, Christine. Thank you. Great job. A video? No, this is something that this is the only thing that I do for my mentoring members, mentoring students that I rarely take. All right. Hey, but you got access to it with part of the being here with us. And stay tuned because guys, I'm going to share with you something, and I haven't actually talked to my colleagues Pete and Jimmy. It is an additional service that I'm testing it. I'm not promising it. Okay, make sense? So this indicators right here, I'm going to be doing a survey of the most traded commodities, right? And we probably will be, I mean Juan and myself, probably going to try to figure it out which ones has the highest, because it takes it takes a couple weeks for each one to go back and make a study about it and create what we call the trend indicator. So basically, we will probably have like a small chart with the arrows in it, and then you could probably see ES and the main trend for the day, right? And then TF and the main trend for today, and NASDAQ and the main trend for today. So we're not going to be trading them, but probably you at least have the opportunity to see what the focus of your trade in that session on the morning should be. So it's kind of a forecasting process kind of thing. All right, so that's something that is coming up. I'm still thinking about it. We're just working on it. But I think if we got enough people with enough people trading a certain market, that's the first one we're going to go for. All right, so that's it. Any other questions? That would be awesome. And take a look at the ES, guys. You see the ES? Target has been hit on the ES. Isn't that awesome? 79.25. Boom, right there. Let's see how many points, because the time that I mentioned it was right there at that area. That was a 250 pointer. Not bad at all. Next level up should be the 86 level on the ES today. Oil is going pretty much all the way through to the upper side. Having a lot of trouble on that resistance area as expected. It's about to be 930. Stock market open will push it back down a little bit. And the next level up on oil is 60.09, 60.26, and 60.56. All right, so we have a 5-week special going on. This is the opportunity for you to lock in 1 extra week, guys, for the price of 4. And the reason we're doing that, because it at least allows you to really give us a full-blown full-blown week of testing and monitoring, and then you pretty much go into the regular 4 weeks. All right, guys. So, all right, so that's it for now, and you did a great job. So we're done. Cheers.